Scientists at the University of Chicago have observed quantum superchemistry for the first time. Quantum superchemistry involves a Bose-Einstein condensate, where atoms in the same quantum state behave collectively. In classical chemistry, atoms collide randomly to form molecules, but in quantum superchemistry, atoms act collectively in reactions. Cooled cesium atoms were used in experiments, demonstrating faster reactions and increased efficiency. Molecules produced in quantum superchemistry share the same state, aiding in reliable batch production. Three-body interactions involving three atoms occurred more frequently than two-body interactions during the process. Potential applications include advancements in quantum chemistry, quantum computing, and understanding fundamental physics laws. Initial experiments were conducted with two-atom molecules, with plans to extend to more complex molecules. The research aligns with theoretical predictions and marks an exciting advancement after 20 years of scientific pursuit. Acid reflux medicines called proton pump inhibitors (PPIs) have been linked to an increased risk of age-related dementia. PPIs work by inhibiting acid production to alleviate heartburn and gastrointestinal issues. Long-term PPI use has been associated with higher risks of stroke, bone fractures, and chronic kidney disease. A study examined 5,712 participants aged 45 to 64 without dementia at the start, finding that PPI users for 4.4 years or more had a 33% higher dementia risk. Intermittent or shorter-term PPI use did not show an elevated dementia risk. The study doesn't establish causation, but suggests potential associations between long-term PPI use and dementia risk. Alternatives like H2 blockers exist, but changing medications should be discussed with a doctor. Study limitations include self-reporting accuracy and potential confounding factors. Further research is needed to confirm and explore the link between PPI use and dementia risk. Minimis glass introduces standalone smart shades designed for fitness tracking, health monitoring, and navigation. Weighing 90 grams, the glasses offer real-time workout data, navigational maps, and can connect to Spotify via Bluetooth earbuds. Designed for runners and cyclists, the glasses eliminate the need for checking phones or wrist trackers. The glasses feature an OLED microdisplay in high definition to maintain clear sight during activities. Equipped with SM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a heart rate monitor tracking vitals at the temple, battery life is approximately 7 hours with continuous use or 11 hours with intermittent use. Additional features include anti-fog, water resistance, UV protection, and transition lenses. Priced at $699 with a bonus charging case for early adopters. Reservation before August 29. Researchers have developed a groundbreaking vaccine targeting the Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, which is associated with multiple sclerosis, MS, and certain cancers. A study revealed that EBV infection increases the risk of MS by 32-fold. The newly developed vaccine provides two types of immunity: humoral, neutralizing antibodies, and cellular killer T cells. EBV is carried by about 95% of the population and can lead to diseases like infectious mononucleosis, MS, lymphomas, and nasopharyngeal cancer. The vaccine, tested in mice, generated sustained immune responses against EBV for over 7 months and inhibited growth of EBV-positive lymphoma tumor cells. The vaccine aims to prevent inflammation and damage caused by EBV-infected B cells that can lead to secondary diseases like MS. If successful, the vaccine could prevent EBV-related diseases including cancers and aid immunocompromised organ transplant recipients. Human trials are the next steps in the development of the vaccine. The study was published in the journal Nature Communications. Researchers have developed an injectable form of DA, docosahexaenoic acid, and omega-3 fatty acid, effective in halting progression of arterial plaques that can cause heart attack and stroke. DA is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, preventing atherosclerosis, fatty plaques buildup on artery walls. The injectable DA formulation, wrapped in liposomes for protection and increased tissue concentration, targets atherosclerosis more effectively than oral supplements. In a study on mice with established arterial plaques, Intravenous administration of DA liposomes reduced plaques, stabilized them, and decreased the risk of rupture. Injectable DA shows promise for treating atherosclerosis and may lead to clinical trials for heart disease treatment. The new formulation demonstrates improved therapeutic effects of DA at significantly lower doses than oral DA. Researchers are optimistic about potential clinical benefits and plan to explore human trials. The study was published in the Journal of Controlled Release. Sleep apnea, affecting 30 million Americans, is challenging to treat, with nearly half abandoning CPAP machines. CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure, is the traditional treatment, but has a high failure rate. Researchers suggest a more personalized approach, starting with dental splints, which work for about 50% of patients. Dental devices are better tolerated than CPAP, but may be less effective. Combination therapies were found to be successful for the remaining patients, adding treatments like oxygen therapy and medications. This approach empowers patients to manage their condition and address other concerns like anxiety. CPAP is considered only as a last resort in this new treatment model. The study highlights a novel way of treating sleep apnea and potentially improving patient outcomes. Research was published in the journal Annals of the American Thoracic Society. Researchers from the University of Copenhagen have developed a simple and environmentally friendly method to recycle polyester fabric. Traditional polyester production involves fossil fuels and generates carbon dioxide, leading to environmental concerns. The new method involves using heat, a non-toxic solvent, and hartshorn salt, ammonium carbonate, to break down polyester into its monomers, while preserving the integrity of the cotton fibers. The process involves heating the fabric with solvent and hartshorn salt at 160 degrees centigrade, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 hours, resulting in distinct layers of plastic and cotton fibers in a liquid solution. Ammonium carbonate breaks down into ammonia and carbon dioxide when heated, which act as catalysts for selective depolymerization of plastic, leaving cotton intact. The combination of ammonia and carbon dioxide is safe for humans and the environment. The study was published in the journal Axe Sustainable Chemistry and Engineering. The Indimob e-trike, manufactured by Milan-based company Indimob, offers an urban electric transportation solution. It features an aluminum delta trike frame with an optional carbon fiber monocoque body. The e-trike is equipped with a 250-watt Bosch CX motor and a 5-speed gearbox, providing 85 Nm of torque, and assisting up to a top speed of 25 km per hour, 16 miles per hour. Battery range varies from 40 km, 25 miles, to 140 km, 87 miles, based on payload and motor assist levels. The trike has one 20-inch front wheel and two 26-inch rear wheels, all with hydraulic disc brakes. Suspension fork and shocks beneath the seat provide a smoother ride, and LED lights are included. 5 models are available: naked, no body in 1 and 2 seat configurations, coupe carbon body, with 1 or 2 seats, and the single-seat cargo platform equipped Indicargo. Pricing starts at €6,172, about US $6,792, and goes up to €10,246, $11,275, before accessories. Aerogogo has introduced the Aerotent series, inflatable tents designed to simplify camping setup. The series includes 2 models: the Sphere tent for 4 to 8 people and the Moon tent for 2 to 4 people. The tents use inflatable air columns instead of traditional rigid poles for support. Both tents come with doors and windows, and the Moon tent can be set up as 2 separate pods. The tents are available for backing on Kickstarter, with estimated shipping starting in October. Pledges start at $749 for the Moon model and $1,149 for the Sphere model, both including the Giga Pump 80. The tents offer a convenient and quick alternative for setting up camp, while reducing the hassle of traditional tent assembly. Researchers at City of Hope Hospital have developed a cancer-killing pill, AOH 1996, that targets the protein proliferating cell nuclear antigen (pCNA), essential for cancer cell growth and survival. pCNA is altered in cancer cells, allowing the drug to specifically target cancer-associated pCNA, without harming healthy cells. AOH 1996 disrupts transcription-replication conflicts in cancer cells, preventing faulty DNA cells from dividing and causing cancer cell death.